Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now, we'll be discussing about the HTML title element. Never skip the title element. The title element is required in HTML. The contents of a page title is very important for search engine optimization, which is SEO. The page title is used by search engine algorithms to decide the order when listing pages in search engine results. The title element defines a title in the browser toolbar. It provides a title for the page when it is added to favorites. It displays a title for the page in search engine results. So try to make the title as accurate and meaningful as possible. So for example, inside our title element right here, we are having HTML style guide and coding conventions. So let me show you how this works in our document. For instance, we are having our top 10 strength workspace. It is very nice to have this because, and always notice one thing, your title element is going to be inside your head tag, opening and closing head tag. Then inside it, you are going to place your title element and write whatever you want to write. And whatever you want to write there, make sure that it's neat and clean and reasonable. Because of the search engine is going to use it. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, and to the next. Bye bye.